So I just want to test this. I've got the T580 here, and it's in stocking station, and it's connected with a display port. I've also got HDMI. The problem's the same with both. And I've got the new power supply set up. So I've still got the same problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, for this Excel list, I'm just going to go Control Find. I'm going to search for this value. And this dialog box, when it pops up, that's what seems to be causing it. So I'll just run this a few times to see if I can replicate it. So that's twice now, that's fine. There. That's the problem. So it goes black, and it comes back, and I've got that dialog box there. So I reckon it's that dialog box that's choosing it. It doesn't have to be that one, it can be anywhere within the system. There it is again, it's happened a second time. And then it's come back. Control Find. There it is again. You could see that bar come across. I'm not sure if you saw that, but you see like a disturbance across the screen, just ever so briefly. No, it's gone completely there. There it is again. So look, it's repeatable, it happens all the time. So I'm going to escalate this back to Lenovo and see if we can find what's causing this, because it's been like this since day one.